This is Mr. Islam Yusuf. Our lesson today about solving an equation with a variable in each side. In this tutorial we'll know solving an equation with a variable in each side and the application on solving an equation. In this problem we need to solve each equation. Number 1. 2 plus 5k equal 3k minus 6. To solve this equation we need to write all of the variable on the left hand side and all of the number on the right hand side. Now we have 3k in the right hand side with a positive sign. To shift it will be by subtracting 3k. 2 with a positive sign, if you shift it to the right hand side you will subtract 2. Now we need to solve 5k minus 3k equals 2k equals negative 6 minus 2 equals to negative 8. Now we can divide all of the equation by 2, so k is equal to negative 4. Number 2. 3w plus 2 equals 7w. We can shift the 3w to the right hand side by subtracting 3w. Now we have 2 is equals 7w minus 3w equal 4w. We can divide all of the equation by 4 because the coefficient of w is 4. So divided by 4 and divided by 4. 2 divided by 4 is equal to 1 over 2. Cancel 4 and 4, so w is equal to 1 over 2. Number 3. 5a plus 2 is equal to 6 minus 7a. Now we will add 7a, so by adding 7a and subtract 2. So 5a plus 7a equals 12a. 6 minus 2 equals 4. We can divide all of the equation by 12. So a is equal to 1 over 3. Number 4. X over 2 plus 1 is equal to 1 over 4x minus 6. To solve this problem by adding and subtracting fraction, I think it will be hard. So we can remove all of the denominator by multiplying by the LCM. The LCM that we have now, which is 4. So if we multiply all of the equation by 4, now we have, so 4 times x over 2. 4 times x over 2 plus 1 times 4 is equals 4x over 4 minus 6 times 4. 4x over 2 equals 2x plus 1 times 4 equals 4. 4x over 4 equals x. Negative 6 times 4 equals to negative 24. Now we can subtract x and subtract 4. So the answer now 2x minus x equals x. Negative 24 minus 4 equals to negative 28. Number 5. 1.3c equals 3.3c plus 2.8. Now we have a decimal and all of the decimal after just one decimal place. So we can remove the decimal point by multiplying by 10. Now the equation will be 1.3 times 10 equals 13c. 3.3c times 10 equals 33c. 2.8 times 10, which equals to 28. Now we can subtract 33c. So 13c minus 33c equals to negative 20c equals 28. We can divide it by negative 20 divided by negative 20. Cancel negative 20. So it will be c equals positive divided by negative equals negative. Divided by 4 equals 7. Divided by 4 equals 5. So the answer now will be negative 7 over 5. Solve each equation. Number 1. 6 times 5m minus 3 equals 1 over 3 times 24m plus 12. Now to solve we need to simplify the equation at the first by using the distributive property, so we can multiply 6 times 5m and 6 times 3. 6 times 5m equals 30m. 6 times negative 3 equals negative 18. 1 over 3 times 24 equals 8m. 1 over 3 times 12 equals 4. By subtracting 8m and adding 18. So 30m minus 8m equals to 22m. 4 plus 18 equals to 22. Divided by 22. Then m equals 1. Number 2. 8s minus 10 equals 3 times 6 minus 2s. Now we need to simplify it by using the distributive property, so we can multiply 3 times 6 and 3 times negative 2s. So write 8s minus 10 equals 3 times 6 equals 80. 3 times negative 2 equals negative 6s. By adding 6s and adding 10. 8s plus 6s equals 14s. 18 plus 10 equals to 28. Divided by 14. So s is equal to 2. Number 3. 7 times n minus 1 equals negative 2 times 3 plus n. By using the distributive property, so we can multiply 7 times n and 7 times negative 1. Negative 2 times 3 and negative 2 times n. 7 times n equals 7n. 7 times negative 1 equals to negative 7. Negative 2 times 3 equals negative 6. Negative 2 times n equals to negative 2n. By adding 2n and adding 7. 7n plus 2n equals to 9n. Negative 6 plus 7 equals to 1. Divided by 9. Then n equals 1 over 9.